Almost 16 acres, total privacy, and still just 20 minutes from the heart of the lake. This is the type of property that allows you to do just about anything. Step outside and you'll find multiple outbuildings, a chicken coop, detached garage, and a great garden setup already waiting for you. With 2 electrical services and plenty of usable acreage, there's room to add additional buildings, expand the garden, or take this property in a completely different direction. Inside, you'll find nearly 2,000 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths, offering plenty of space for you to spread out and make it your own. Private, versatile, and close enough to everything the lake has to offer. Give the Krantz office a call and we'll schedule your showing of your next property.